Hi. Today we're going to be making a rainbow bit cake. And if you want to see the instructions, pause for it since I'm showing for very long. English and French. First, you're supposed to preheat the oven to 350% Fahrenheit. So for cupcakes, it's 375 Fahrenheit or 350% Fahrenheit for non-stick pans. We're gonna bake. And while we're waiting, we're gonna mix the cake mix. I'm gonna open it. Then, one-third cup of vegetable oil, or you can substitute with canola oil. There's not really much of a difference. Any oil should be okay. A cup of water. We have a sink right next to us. It's not to be right to the brim. That's what I'm doing. You can also use milk, but that ups the fat content. How much fat is inside it? And you need to crack 3 eggs. I'm using a fork, and I'll put this in here just to make sure there's no shell. I think you can do a better job than this, people, but it makes this very messy. Okay, and you want to take the eggs out. Now we have to stir the egg. Since the shell will be under, we're going to pour it very carefully. So, right now we have the oil, the water, the rainbow bit cake mix, and the eggs. Now, you can use a fork to stir it or use your hands to vigorously mash it. Or you can use the mixer and set it to medium speed. We're gonna start with 2. So just gotta ease slowly into it. For 2 minutes. So the time is 3:05. So keep mixing. I put it to 2. Okay, now since it's been 2 minutes have passed, I'll turn it off. Then I will pour the cake batter. I'll pour the cake batter. I'm gonna pour the cake batter into these cupcakes. It's supposed to be 22 of them. Okay, the oven is done preheating, so you still have to pour the cake batter and put it inside the cupcake wrap. Be 22 in total, so I'm going to take some away. I use a big spoon, a ladle, to make sure I don't pour too much. And only pour it to the middle because it's going to rise in the oven. So you don't want it to like open. There's nothing to say. And mistakes happen. So don't be sad if you accidentally pour something, like how I did. And if there's any extra cake batter, you can put them in more cupcake wrappers. We're going to use a spatula to scrape it up, and we scrape everything off for that already, so I'm just gonna add small to some of the cupcakes. I added up the whole putting it except for the first some of it. We're gonna clean this part up, and then we're gonna put it inside the oven. Because the oven's gonna be hot, or it's already been preheated, we're gonna put on our gloves and put them inside the oven. And we're going to wait for 13 to 18 minutes from 3:37 to 3:42. That's how long we'll be waiting. We're gonna put a toothpick inside to check if it's ready. And if it's clean, it's not that clean, so I'm gonna keep it in a little longer. It's been another 3 minutes, so we're gonna test the toothpick again. Clean, completely clean. We're gonna try another one, just in case. And this one's clean too. We're gonna turn off the oven and take the other ones out. Minutes, and now it's 3:39. So when it's 3:49, we're going to taste test one, and we're gonna see if it's okay or not. Stay tuned. And we're gonna taste it to see if it's yummy. It's fluffy, good. I like it. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.